Now, in the next one, number 10, which among the following acid is found in our body? Hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric
Hydrochloric acid.
Chloronic
Now, come to the next. In this lesson, yoga for kids, you will not write anything, but you will try to follow these steps in your life. You have to understand the importance of yoga in our life. Look at these yoga postures, asanas. They are very important for us, but never practice any asana yourself. First, discuss each asana with your yoga teacher or an expert. Now, first one, Savasana. This asana reduces the stress and tension. It gives relaxation to body and mind. Means you have to lie down on the ground. You have to breathe, large breathe you have to take, and then after you have to relax your body and mind. This is called Savasana. Then Anulom Vilom. You have to close your one nose and then you have to inhale the breath from another nose. Then you have to release your breath from the nose which you have closed. So from one side you will breathe, then from next side you will release. Then again you will breathe and again you will release. So this is the Anulom Vilom. Now Hastosana. This is very simple. You are doing also. Just you have to put your hands and one side you will go this side, then one time you will go this side. And you will feel a stress in your back. So it will very helpful for your back pains. Then the next one, Tadasana. This is very simple. You have to hold your hands and you have to go down and you have to touch your feet. So as you will go down and you will touch your feet, you will feel some stress on your back and this will release the pain in your back. Then after few exercises of hand and leg. Few exercises of hand and leg. Simply you have to stretch your hand like this. One time you will go this side, then next time you will go this side. And you will feel the stress in your back. And this will relax your back pain and all. You will go this side and then you will go this side. Then you will do this side and you can go this side. So like this when you will do, this will relax your back pain. Now in this we have to give some points related to the activities which the user, which the boy has done. On the page number 38, what should you do in the following situations? Tick the correct options in each situation to be a smart child. Now in this, if your father is going to a nearby place on his bike without helmet, then what you will do? You would ask him to wear a helmet for safety reasons. You would go along with him as you need to buy something from the market. So the first one is correct. First you have to ask your papa that you should wear a helmet. So first option is correct, market. Now in the market situation I am going, if you find someone continuously keeping on his eye on a student of the school, wherever she lives, the school, means if a person that you don't like, if a person who is always keeping his eye on the students when they are going home, that person is not a good person, so what you will do? You would inform his or her parents as well as your school principal. Second, you would inform the student and ask him to seek your help whenever required. So the first version is correct. You will not tell anything to the students. You will go to the principal office, you will inform the school management, and then they will take care of this. Now in the third situation, if you find a baby playing in a packet of medicines, if a baby is playing with the packets of medicines, so what you will do? What is the situation? You would immediately take away the packet of medicines from the baby and place it as means a different place. The second one, you would let the baby play with the packets as it can't open easily. So you have to take that medicine packets and you have to keep it on the same place, because it is not a good thing that baby is playing with the medicines. So first one is the correct answer. Now on the next page, page number 39, this is the situation given here. If someone has sent you an email asking about your phone number and address, if any email messages you are getting from the unknown person and they are asking your address and phone number or any personal details, then what you will do? You would immediately reply to the email and give your personal information. And the second point, you could ignore the email as it could be dangerous or share personal information on the internet. So the second answer is correct. You should ignore that kind of email. The second option is correct. Now in the car and bus situation, if a new brand luxury car has just passed by your bus stop, means if you are going home and a car is just passing your bus, then what you will do? You would appreciate its color and design while sitting inside the bus. You would put out your hand from the window and wave its owner bye-bye. So what you will do? You will put out your hands and you will say bye-bye to the owner. Or the second situation, you will sit inside the car and you will just appreciate the color and the design. So the first option is correct. First option is correct. Now in the last situation, if your parents are not at home and somebody is knocking on the door loudly, if nobody is in home and somebody is knocking the door, then what you will do? You would immediately dial the emergency number and call the police. You would open the door and inquire about him. So the first one is the correct answer. You have to call the police and you will not open the door. If you are alone in home, no need to open the door. Now, come to the page number 40. Indian words in English language. Means the word which we are using, Indian words, how it is present in English language. Now, many words have gained acceptance from the English language derived from the different languages. The English which we are using, the Hindi words which is present in our which is present around us, that we are using in English also. So in this lesson you will see this. Now in the first question, clarified butter made from milk of buffalo or cow. Means the butter made from the buffalo or cow milk, what is the name of this? The first one is ghee, G-H-E-E, ghee. The first one is ghee. Means you know this, ghee, mummies and nannies, these are dadis in the home, they are making ghee from milk. So the same thing it is. A mixture of ground species used in Indian cooking. This is the masala. Number 3, genuine, excellent or appropriate to high or acceptable society. This is the pukka, P-U-K-K-A. The third one is number 4, familiar from the address friend mates. The fourth one is yar, Y-A-A-R, Y-A-A-R. Number 5, in India or in Indian context, a roadside food stall or restaurant. Number 5, it is dhaba, D-H-A-B-A, dhaba. Number 6, tight trousers made with excess material at the bottom of the legs, which falls in the folds around the ankle, traditionally worn the people of South Asia. This is chudidar. Number 7, a spicy condiment of Indian origin made of fruits or vegetables with vinegar, spices and sugar. This is chutney. This is chutney. Next, 8. In India, cooking a small round piece of bread made of unrealized meat, wheat flour, deep fried and served with the meat of vegetables. This is puri. Nine, a type of corded belt in the early European settle of Bengal. This is Bangalore. B-U-N-G. Number 10, to rob. This is loot. To rob means loot. The best airports which is present around us, it is given in this big page. You all can see this, all can open this big page. Now in this, half is this side and half is this side. Now I am going to tell you from the first point. Now the first point you open, this is Singapore Changi International Airport. First point. This airport is popular for its beautiful, lush public garden, a waterfall, a butterfly garden and stunning flowers all around. It also has free cinemas, a swimming pool and so much more. So this is the airport. You can see this is a very beautiful and heart-touching design it is. Second, Tokyo Haneda International Airport. In this airport you can see Haneda has been claimed as having some of the best Japanese cousins and on offer without an inflated price tag. The airport has an open air observation deck where people can watch the airplanes. It also has endless shops and arcades parlors on the top of the very well constructed. Means simply they are telling us about this airport, that this is a certain type of mall, and when you will visit this place, definitely it will touch your heart and you have to appreciate this, because lots of shops and other arcades are given in this mall. Now third point, It is just hidden in this in the type of a stapler. Now the third one, Incheon International Airport. The airport is exceptionally highly rearranged for the facility. It has launched an extensive variety of guzzles, ready for people to purchase on the top of some of the incredibly extended performance. Means in this third one, this is a very great design they have made for the peoples, and when you will visit this place, definitely you will not means feel that it is an airport. This place is certain like a garden, and so many places and other facilities are given on this place. Now, fourth airport, Hamad International Airport. It is built to be one of the most awesome, entertaining and efficient airport. Was constructed to be architecturally significant on the top of all the luxurious amenities. Means in this airport all the luxuries are present. You will never feel that this is an airport. When you will visit this place, so many relaxing things you will get, and this is very expensive and very marvelous design is given in this airport. Hong Kong International Airport. The airport has over 80 places to eat within the Terminal 1 and Terminal 2. Means in this 80 small hotels are there. You can go inside and you can eat whatever you want. So many hotels and places are there to sit. Now could think one of making sure everybody who has passed through someone they fancy eating, there the choice of fine dining, evening entertainment, coffee shops, designer shops, Disney stores. Means so many things are present here, and you will get so many hotels to eat in this place, in this marvelous and awesome airport. Now come to the next page. Plant a tree. Plant a tree. Plant a tree. Now in this why we should plant a tree, you will get, what is the advantages, everything it is clear in this. Trees are good for your mental and physical health. You know, tree will give you relaxation. When you will visit any park, you will feel awesome and you will feel relaxing. A view of trees in the urban area has been proven to reduce stress, anxiety. So this is the reason why we are going to parks, because trees will give you a relaxing mood. Next, urban trees can also cool down neighborhoods. Means when you are going for a tree, for a park, it is cooling the environment also, and it will give you fresh air. Second, next one, you will be giving your descendants a gift. Means if you will plant a tree, definitely you will give a gift to the next generation, because lots of factories and other businesses are there that they are cutting the trees. So this is the best gift you can give. Next, trees can smoke a fine particle pollution. They can absorb the fine particles of pollution, means carbon dioxide they can take inside, and they can give you fresh air. So this is very helpful, because without oxygen we can't survive. Trees fight climate change. Climate change, you know, in winter temperature will go down. In summer temperature will go, means high. Now this time in this place UP, it is very tough to survive. So these plants are helpful to reduce the climate change, and they will fight the climate change. They will help you a lot in rain and in cool air also. Now, prevent the soil erosion. What do you mean by soil erosion? This means that when rain comes, you might have seen somewhere that soil will go with the water, or few houses also will go with the water. or trees also will go with the water. So these trees, if you will plant number of trees, then definitely they will help you a lot to protect your soil, otherwise it will go somewhere else. Now trees clear the air and help breathe. It will clear the air and it will give you fresh air always. You will save money. How you can save your money? Means if you are not planting a tree, then temperature will go up and you have to purchase one AC or cooler. Then definitely you have to pay more. But when you will plant tree around you, it will give you fresh and cool air. Now they will help you in the climate also to rain. So they will give you some help in saving money also. You will attract birds and animals. Means nowadays very few birds and animals are roaming around us, but we can attract them. They will come near you with the help of trees only. So these are the few basic points that why we should plant a tree. Now in the next page number 41, a simple, now in the page number 31, a simile is a comparison of two things using as or like. Complete the similes listed below. The meaning of similes is given alongside as a clue. Means you have to say like or you have to say as. Like means somewhat like this, and as means similar, means exactly similar. Now in the page number 41, in this first one, as alike as two, now you have to write the meaning that I am writing here. As alike as peas in pod, now students, one more thing, my time is going to be over. So within 3-4 minutes class will be over. It will shut down automatically. So don't worry. Now write down this answer. First one, page number 41. Page number 41. 1. As alike as 2. Number 2, as blind as a bat. Number 3, as bold as a then number 4, as brave as a lion. Then number 5, as bright as a button. Number 6, as calm as a mill pond.